442's News Low IQ, your home of transfer news which we lift from social media.
Good evening. We start with the sensational news that Lionel Messi is about to sign for Chelsea Bus Company. Let's head over to Siberian Bridge.
Thank you for coming. It gives me great pleasure to present Lionel Messi.
Haha! It's me, the special one.
What? I'm the special one. You can be the special number 2, or how about the special 10?
I love it!
In a moment, Lionel will sign for £200 million, or in other words, 4 Fernando Torres, or 7 Andrei Shevchenkos.
Jose, wait, the deal is off.
What?
We have been outbid.
By who?
By us.
The Referees Association?
The Referees Association. We had a whip round. £201 million. Messi, get your coat. Can you offer me any tax breaks?
I knew it. This is clearly a campaign against us.
Dramatic news there from Slam Mrs. Bridge as Messi becomes the world's best and most expensive referee. Before we go, here are today's other headlines. Liverpool in transfer era as they sign Colombian pop star Shaqiri. Real Madrid have entered into talks with the parents of a Norwegian fetus. Try It On Gigs has entered into talks with Victor Valdes O'Connor's wife. And finally, forget Terry Henry. 442s have signed their own football legend as a pundit. He's banged them in and he's been banged up. It's Mr. Ched. Hold on a minute. 442s have withdrawn their contract offer for the mystery pundit after pressure from sponsors and threats of violence from loyal subscribers. Unbelievable, Jeff. I'll be back soon with more transfer updates, an annoying voice, and of course, a stupid yellow tie.
442's News Low IQ, your home of transfer news which we lift from social media.
Thanks for watching. Look out on the 442 social media if you want to suggest your own transfer stories that could make it into the next transfer video. Thank you and good night.